More Texans are starting to avoid vaccines, leading to more people getting sick and the return of previously eliminated illnesses like measles. Olivia Aldrich from KUT investigated why Texans are increasingly skeptical of vaccines.
Hesitancy toward vaccines was already growing pre-COVID, but they all agreed that with COVID, it got worse.
I've even had patients that, previously would get the flu vaccine every year, and then now they're like, no, I'm just not going to do any of that anymore.
For example, the percentage of kindergartners in Texas whose parents have filed for vaccine exemptions has increased over the past 10 years from 1.35% to 3.63%. In a survey, some stated that the rollout speed of the COVID-19 vaccines raised some red flags. They were concerned that health orgs and pharmaceutical companies didn't do enough to ensure they were safe. But the vaccines met rigorous testing standards and were proven to be safe and effective. They were developed from a decade of research. Operation Warp Speed was put in place to accelerate the development of the vaccines. It did this not by skipping steps, but by having them happen at the same time. Kind of like putting your laundry in the washer before you start cooking. It's normal to be anxious about medical procedures and anything you put in your body. But unfortunately, misinformation has exacerbated vaccine hesitation by playing upon those anxieties. This makes it more challenging for public health officials and communicators to break through the noise with credible, engaging information that'll actually make it on our social media feeds. A link to Olivia's full story is in the description. Drop a comment telling us what else you want to know about Texas, and follow for more Texas tea.